In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add audio sound to your PDF files using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. If you're looking to create dynamic and engaging PDFs, adding audio can be a fantastic way to enhance the reader's experience. Whether it's a voiceover, background music, or sound effects, integrating audio can add a whole new dimension to your documents. Let's dive right into the step-by-step process. First, you'll want to open your PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This powerful tool is designed not only for reading PDFs, but also for editing and adding multimedia content. Once you've opened your document, look for the Tools pane. This pane offers a variety of options to modify your PDF, so click on Rich Media. Selecting this will take you to the section where you can add various forms of multimedia content, including audio. Now that you're in the Rich Media options, you'll see a choice labeled Add Sound. Click on this, and your cursor will transform into crosshairs, allowing you to define where the audio control icon should be on your page. You have the flexibility to either draw a rectangle over a specific area where you'd like this icon to appear, or simply double-click to place it in a chosen spot. This icon will serve as the interactive feature that will allow users to play the audio within the PDF. Once you've positioned your icon, an Insert Sound dialog box will pop up. Here, you'll need to find the audio file you want to embed. Just click the Browse button and navigate through your computer files to select your desired audio. Ensure that the file is in a compatible format like MP3 or WAV for smooth uploading. The dialog box also provides you with an option to show advanced settings. This is optional, but can be extremely useful if you want to fine-tune how your audio file behaves. By checking Show Advanced Options, you can set parameters for audio playback, such as when the audio should start or stop, or if it should loop. These configurations offer significant control over the user experience. After you've selected your audio file and configured any necessary settings, simply click OK to insert the audio into your document. At this point, you may want to further adjust where your audio icon or play area is positioned. To do this, use the Select Object tool, which can be found in the Quick Action toolbar. This will help you move or resize the audio icon to fit your layout perfectly. Finally, don't forget to save your work. Go to the File menu and select Save to ensure that your audio is embedded within the PDF. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully integrated audio into your PDF document, adding an interactive element that can greatly enrich the reader's experience. Make sure to save often and review your document to confirm that all multimedia features are functioning as intended. Thank you for watching, and happy editing.